Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to check the manufacture date of your laptop. The manufacture date of your device is located on the back side of your laptop, so in order to see it you have to turn your laptop around and check the back cover. And if you take a closer look right here, you'll be able to find MFG year, and this is the manufacturing year of your laptop. For me it's 2019, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.